Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apollo IO. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So we've got an exciting tutorial for you as we dive into the world of Apollo IO. So whether you're a seasoned user or a complete beginner, this video will guide you through the basics and provide some handy tips and tricks to make the most out of this powerful platform. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and if you find this helpful. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. So Apollo IO is a robust platform designed for sales and marketing teams, offering a plethora of features to enhance prospecting and customer engagement. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamental aspects of using Apollo IO. So first things first, if you haven't created your Apollo account, the first thing that we need to do here is go to Apollo IO. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically click on the login button that you see at the top right. Now from here, it's going to redirect us to this page here wherein we have the option to either log in or sign up. So if you want to create your account, just click on sign up. And from here, you just need to click or tick the sign up and agree and just click on the sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft. But if you want to do this manually, just hit on or enter your email address here and just hit on the sign up for free. Now from there, you'll be receiving an email from Apollo IO to confirm your account. So make sure that you click on that button and you'll be able to basically start creating your account. But since I already have my account here, I'm going to log in using my Google here and just using my email address. Now this one is really cool because you could use already existing email addresses here without any hassle. Now, after logging in, you'll land on the Apollo dashboard, which comprises of many aspects that you want to check here. So you have the prospect and enrich, engage, win and close, and tools and workflows. So there's going to be a lot of things that you could do here, but I'll be showing you the main functions of Apollo IO. So Apollo List is a fantastic feature that helps you organize your contacts efficiently. So I'll show you how to create an edit list in a few simple steps, so streamlining your workflow, ensuring easy access to essential information. So first thing you want to do is you want to create our list first. So to do that, we need to click on the search button here or the search option under prospects and enrich. So once you click on that, you'll be able to redirect here. Now, since we want to create our list first, let's go ahead and go to save list here. And from here, once you click on the new list button at the top right, you'll be able to enter the name of the list that you want to basically create. So in this case, I just recently created a list here that said sample. So this is the only thing I did here. I just entered sample here and I was able to create this list here. Now, if you want to edit this list here, just click on the three dotted icon here next to the list and just hit on edit. And from here, you'll be able to change the name itself. Now, as you can see, this is our list. Now, next thing that we want to do is we want to start searching for people and companies within the Apollo IO with a relatively very easy method. So with a few clicks, you can filter through a wealth of data to identify and target potential customers more efficiently. So I'll walk you through the process from entering search queries to defining your search results based on the location, job title, and other criteria. Now, same here, if you go to the search option, so when you click on the people here and this tab from the name itself, you'll be able to basically search for people. Now, we have multiple filters that you can use here, like for example, list, name, job titles, companies, and location. So if you use the option here, like for example, we want to search for people who work for Google. So let's just type in Google here, just press on enter, and all of the peoples that is from Google will appear here. Now in this case, we want to select those people, but if you want to view the details of that specific person first, you can go ahead and click on that name itself, and from there you'll be able to see their information. Now if you want to access their email and phone number, you can go ahead and click on this one, but you'll be using some points on your account in Apollo IO for you to view that. Now in this case, since we want to add this into our list, we could go ahead and click on their name here. So there's a checkbox here, just go ahead and click on that. And from here, we want to go to the list button here, go ahead and click on it. And from here, just use the add to list. Now from here, you could go ahead and click on it on this enter or create list and choose the sample list that we just recently created. And from there, we could go ahead and just click on save. Now, if you want to add companies now into your list, we could go ahead and click on the companies option here. And from here, again, we have a ton of filters that we could use here to search for companies. So for this example, maybe we want to use Google again. So let's go ahead and search for it. Now from here, you could go ahead and select the company. And from here again, we want to go to list and add to list. One of the standout features of Apollo IO is its ability to create sequences, a series of personalized and timed emails to prospects and customers. So we'll be guiding you through the process and creating a sequence from scratch, allowing you to save time and enhance your sales and customer success processes. Now, first thing we want to do here is we want to access the sequences. So sequences will be under the engage section here. Let's go ahead and click on sequences. And from here, we could create our sequence manually. So let's go ahead and click on the create new sequence manually, but you also have the option to create this with AI. Now from here, since we want to create from scratch, let's just click on from scratch. And from here, we want to add our sequence name. So let's go ahead and just say that this is a test. And from here, you could choose the schedule. So normal business hours. This is the time for that. And from here, just click on create. Now from here, we want to add our steps. So let's go ahead and click on the add step option here. And from here, maybe we want to add a automatic email. Now from here, we have the option when to start this step. So immediately after a contact is added to sequence, or 30 minutes after a contact is added. So you could change the values for this, like for example, 10 minutes after the contact is added. So we also have the advanced settings. So limit the number of emails sent from this step per 24 hours. So meaning, like for example, we want to limit this like maybe 10 emails to avoid being considered as spam, because we want to avoid that so that our clients would actually receive our email. Now from here, let's go ahead and just click on continue. And from here, you'll be able to change or edit the contents of the email. Now from here, you could go ahead and just enter the subject. Like for example, I just want to say, hey. And from here for the body, I'm just going to say hi. But the content itself depends on what you want to say, or maybe you want to offer, or you want to reach out based on. So in this case, you also have the AI assistant here, which is really good because you'll be able to ask AI. For example, you want to personalize email or a free section, or you could go ahead and learn more about the AI assistant here as well. Now at the right side, this is the sample of the email that we have right now. But at the right side, we have the option for generate email. So generate subject lines and emails, message with Apollo AI. So for example, we have the company product name, so enter your business and product, and a lot more. So if you want to generate all of those ideas yourself, you could go ahead and click on the generate option. But once you're good, you could go ahead and click on the save at the top right. Or if you want to test the email itself first, you go ahead and choose the 10 test email to me. In this case, let's go ahead and click on save. Now, sometimes you'll see this option here that you have no mailbox link. So please connect your email account to start managing sending emails in Apollo. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on link mailbox here and just follow the steps. And from there, you should be able to connect your mailbox. So as you can see, this is the allowing Apollo to access our email. So let's just click on allow. And from here, we should be good. And there you have it. So this is a beginner's guide in using Apollo IO. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan App. Thank you for watching.